Chapter 7 Exponential Functions Lesson 2. Last lesson we did a lot of questions about the index, and at the end of the lesson we talk about the big index. So let's do some revision. Example 1, 5 to the power 304 times 1 over 5 to the power 307. So that means 5 to the power 307, because the denominator, the index, is bigger than the upper one, so we use the big one minus the small one. So 307 minus 304, it is at denominator, so it becomes 1 over 5 to the power 3. So it is 1 over 125. Next, we'll talk about the negative term. Example 2, negative 2 to the power 3. So we can do like this. Because they are power 3, that means negative 2 will time 3 terms. And for 2 negative, because negative times negative become positive, so that means every pair it become positive. And the single one negative. So negative times positive, so it become negative for the sign. And then 2 times 2 times 2, so it is 8. So for odd index, actually it should have negative sign. So let's look at example 3. This time negative 2 or bracket 4 power 4. So as I said before, if power 3, there are 3 terms multiply each other, 4 terms each other, and every pairs it become positive. So negative become positive, positive. So at the end it should be positive. And 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2 to the power 4, so it is 16. Let's have a conclusion. If we see the negative term with odd index, it should be negative. So we can do like this. So negative 2 to the power 3, so it's negative 8. And for question 3, if it is power 4, so that means it should be positive because even index. So 2 to the power 4, so it is 16. You can do like this. Now I give you 2 minutes. Try to finish exercise 1 and exercise 2. So let's check the answer. As I said before, if we have the odd index, so it must be negative answer. So negative 3 to the power 5, so it becomes 2, 4, 3. You can use the calculator to find 3 to the power 5. For exercise 2, because it is even index, so it must be positive. So 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4, you use the calculator, you can find it is 81. Next, we'll see the negative term with big index. So let's see example 4. 3 to the power 200 times negative 1 over 3 to the power 203. So for first term, just copy. And for the second term, we can see it is odd index. So that means it must be odd. So we can write like this: 3 to the power 203. It must be odd because odd index. So it is negative because this one positive, this one negative, so it becomes negative. And then the index at denominator is bigger than the numerator, so we use the big one, 2 over 3 minus the small one, so it becomes 3 to the power 3. So it is 1 over 27. Next, example 5. First, we just copy this, and for second term, we can see the index. It is even index, so for every even index, inside it becomes positive, so it becomes 1 over 7 to the 5 power 5 1/8. This time, the upper index is bigger than the lower index, so we use the big one minus the small one, so it becomes power 2. So 7 to the power 2, it is 49. Next, I will give you 3 minutes. Try to finish exercise 1 and 2. Let's see exercise 1. This time, the index is even, so that means it becomes positive, so it is 1 over 2 to the power 402. Lower index is bigger than the upper index, so 2 to the power 402 will minus 400, so it becomes 2 to the power 2, so it is 1 over 4, or you can use 0.25 to represent. Question 2. 3 to the power 2020. This time we can see the index. It is odd index, so it must be negative. 3 to the power 2017. This index is bigger than this, so we'll use the big one. It is negative. Big one minus the small one, so it becomes power 3, so it is negative 27.